So Aura has been out for almost a year now, right? And she's getting better and better, but she was getting lonely. So this year we started to incorporate other companions. We now brought in Leo, is available now as of 2026 Service Pack 2. Marie has been delayed. She might come out next Service Pack 3. So they all have their own competencies, right? And skills. And these skills and competencies are going to be coming at us really fast. As they develop their knowledge, you're going to get more and more capabilities from them. So for now, look at Aura as the explorer. I have two girls. Every time I say that, all I hear is Dora the Explorer. Every time. It's ridiculous. They're not little girls anymore. They're 20. But I still remember those days. So knowledge retrieval or a project manager. That's Aura. Okay. And then you got Leo. Leo's an actual engineer. So think things like sheet metal expert. Think quality and rules inspector. And then Marie, when she comes along, is going to be our scientist. So think materials expert or carbon fiber expert, understanding layouts and so on. What's the best way for the design you're working on?